Welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a super refreshing summer mango sago drink. It's fruity, creamy and perfect to beat the heat. This drink is inspired by Asian style dessert like mango sago pudding. This combination of tapioca pearls and mango creates an amazing texture contrast. Start with half cup of sago or tapioca pearls. Did you know sago is naturally gluten-free and easy to digest? Soak them for 10 minutes and wash thoroughly. Now boil 1 liter of milk. Once it comes to a boil, add the soaked sago. Stir gently and continuously to avoid sticking. Be sure to stir the sago constantly to prevent clumping. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and cook until the sago turns transparent. Let the mixture cool down completely. Let the milk and sago cool before adding mango to preserve the fresh taste. Now pour in 1 cup of fresh mango puree. Use ripe sweet mangoes for the best flavor. And 1.5 cup of chopped mango pieces. Give it all a good mix and your delicious summer drink is ready to serve. Mango is often called the king of fruits for a reason. It's rich in flavor and nutrition. You can also add a few ice cubes for an extra chill. Mangoes are rich in vitamin A and C, great for immunity and skin. Tapioca is a quick energy booster, perfect for summer fatigue. Milk adds calcium and protein to this sweet treat. This drink hydrates and refreshes naturally, without artificial flavoring. Thank you for joining us on Enoven Cake and Cookies. If you love this summer mango sago drink, don't forget to try it and share it with your version with us. Do you enjoy mango drink in summer? Tell us your favorite in the comments. If you are new here, hit that follow or subscribe button for more refreshing recipes. Stay tuned for more easy and tasty treats right here on Enoven Cake and Cookies.